Hello everyone, I am Dr. Deepesh Goyal, cosmetic and plastic surgeon. Today we are going to plan a hair transplant, FUE hair transplant. The patient has come from Melbourne, Australia, so he will give some little introduction of him. Then we will start the marking. बताएं sir.
My name is Naren. I'm from Melbourne, Australia. My wife was in touch with Dr. Deepesh for her laser treatment, and then she realized that okay, it's a good chance because I was having thinning in my hair, and I'd never planned to get the hair transplant done. But then she said, okay, let's give it a try. Then I met with Dr. Deepesh. He was really good. He explained me everything, so I thought let's take a chance this time.
Yes.
And today we planned it. Let's see how it goes.
So we are very thankful he gave a chance to us to give him a new look. So this is the bald area. So we are planning this area today, and we are marking this area. And this is very unusual area of baldness. So usually patient has male pattern baldness. They start from the front, but patient has started just hairline is maintained, but mid scalp and frontal scalp and crown area is deficient of hair. So we will start transplant from the front, then we will cover the mid scalp and let you. So at the end of the procedure we will show you the results also. Thank you.
Hey guys, this is Naren again. If you have seen my first video, the process is done and it was painless. There was no pain, a long process. Dr. Deepesh was really good. He was explaining me everything throughout the process, and we'll see the results now in 6 months. He has said that okay, it's gonna start in 3 months, but yeah, from 3 to 12 months, we can see the full results, and we'll send you the another video after that. Thank you.